We will guide you through how to change eye color on Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop, open the image or portrait project you want to edit, then allow it to appear completely on the canvas. Zoom in closely on the eyes so you can see the iris boundaries, pupils, highlights, eyelids, and surrounding skin clearly. Select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar, then change its selection mode to lasso in the options bar so you can draw around each iris manually. Carefully trace around the iris of the first eye, keeping the selection inside its natural edge and avoiding the pupil, eyelids, and white part of the eye as much as possible. Hold the Shift key and trace around the iris of the second eye to add it to the same active selection. Open the Layers panel on the right side of the workspace, or choose Layers from the window menu if the panel is hidden. Click the new adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the panel, which looks like a circle divided into light and dark halves. Select Hue and Saturation so Photoshop creates a non-destructive adjustment layer and converts both iris selections into a mask. Enable Colorize in the Properties panel if the original eye color does not respond evenly, or if you want to apply one consistent new hue. Move the hue slider slowly while watching both eyes change, then stop when you reach the color you want. Adjust the saturation carefully to keep the result natural rather than making the irises look unnaturally vivid. Adjust the lightness slider if necessary while preserving the pupils, highlights, shadows, and texture within each iris. Inspect the result closely and make small slider adjustments until both eyes look balanced and realistic. Finally, save the editable project as a PSD file or export the edited portrait in your preferred format.